Northwest News Radio.
The following is a test of the emergency alert system.
This is a test, only a test, of the emergency alert system from the Island County Department of Emergency Management. In the event of an actual emergency, the system would bring you important information. The following tones will conclude this test.
This concludes this test of the emergency alert system. For more information, contact this station or your local emergency services organization.
Ever since we got Xfinity Mobile,
I'm having this problem with my furnace.